Oh, she big time now. BMF.
I'm finna cry.
She big time now.
Hey y'all, what's going on? So I just wanted to record a little something in the sky. Oh my. Don't y'all think I shouldn't be on the plane after watching Manifest, baby? All jokes aside, I love y'all. The flight's going well. We have a little turbulence because of the wind speeds and aircrafts. But other than that, I'm having a lovely time. I got some nice co-mates on the flight I've been talking to. So keep me in your prayers till we land in Atlanta, alright?
So look, pink car, where you going? Nowhere. Oh yeah, you got the limos and everything. This mother, man. Look out, look.
Hey, polished people, what's going on, y'all? We are in line waiting. I'm in on Uber. Dante's my favorite. And yeah, so like the Suburbans are here, you know, like the people are driving, you know, the people. And this is crazy that I'm really in Atlanta about to do this. We finna BMF. Okay, Green Lake gang. I seen a Bentley, y'all. I ain't never seen a Bentley like up close and personal. And I also never asked for a Bentley too.
You gotta go over there and that one, what you better do. There'll be some black mafia shit up out here. Y'all motherfuckers had to shoot me. Fuck that. I don't care who in there. I don't give a fucking Ricky Smiley, goddamn Tavis Smiley. I'm tired of everybody else. I got a young lady here, got Benny down.
Amen.
She interviewing the red car. She probably interview one of y'all motherfuckers.
Right now, roll the window down.
I don't know. Fuck. It's a Hyundai, I don't care.
It's cold, y'all. I'm going to Will Call. I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Exciting stuff happening right now. Scared, nervous, excited. Don't know what the hell to think. Hey, polished people, what's going on? You know, it's your girl. I'm doing interviews, asking people what are they excited to see at BMF tonight. What are you excited to see during the screening?
Man, you know what I'm saying? Detroit culture, you feel me? Big Meech, Lil Meech, you know what I'm saying? 50, executive producer, my favorite rapper. I'm from Detroit, I'm from the east side of 6 Mile Van Dyke, and I live in Atlanta. So, you know, the BMF story really from a Detroit story that took place from Detroit to Atlanta, you feel me? And I'm a Detroit nigga that live in Atlanta.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? So Big Meech, that's a big inspiration to me and to, you know, street niggas all over the world. You know what I mean? So I gotta come out and support this this series, you know what I mean?
All right, you Dapper Dan.
Hey, listen,
Designer, okay?
I go by the name of Donnie B.
Okay, Donnie B, I appreciate
Detroit
you.
State of Mind is out right now on all platforms.
You better represent and put up your shit. Hey y'all, look. We down here at BMF in Atlanta. About to take the picture, finna go into the premiere.
Action.
Hey polished people, what's going on? It's your girl, the Polished Lady, and you know your girl from Naptown, up in the house in Atlanta, Georgia, because I got that special premiere screening to BMF. It's going down. We're gonna see what's going on with the Black Mafia family. This is based on a true story. It happened in 1989, y'all. 89. So, you know, we're gonna live it up for Big Meechy, and we're gonna see what's to it. 50 Cent, let's go! I'm a YouTuber, and this is my first premiere screening. Okay. Oh, okay, we close.
Your seat 20.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna follow the numbers and then sit in seat 20.
All right, thank you. Okay, y'all, hold on. We up in here. Giving y'all a tour. Hey, polished people, y'all. This is my first like Starz movie premiere, all that stuff. And all that jazz. This is pretty exciting. Like, I'm like in the front too. This ain't, you know, look for soil. So, you know, I seen David Banner. I was like, hey, David. You know, he waved and everybody. He's like, you have a good evening. And it was crazy because I was like, yeah, remember I seen you at Juneteenth? We was talking, so that was cool. And now I'm about to go get into my brother's car and try to catch this flight. Let's go. It's 9:12. I'm walking. Y'all supposed to catch a flight at 10:25 and go to the Atlanta airport. Y'all know how big that motherfucker is. So, you know, just say a little quick prayer because otherwise I'm gonna be stuck in the A again. But it definitely was dope. People are turning it like it's crazy. People don't even know where they going, and so they just sitting over there trying to get in there.